Hello, this is the Belka Evidence Center X, or Belka X for short, tutorial series. In this video, we will cover bookmarking within Belka X. Belka X allows you to create bookmarks for artifacts shown in various windows such as artifacts, search results, and incident investigations. Note that Hex Viewer has its own bookmarking mechanism, which we will review in another tutorial. The first step is to set up bookmarking categories using the Settings window. On the Bookmarks tab, you will see and be able to amend bookmark category names. There are also bookmark category colors and hotkey combinations. This last you're not going to be able to change. Once you've set your categories, check any artifact in an artifact list that you would like to bookmark. Then, select and press a number key from 0 to 9, or select a corresponding item from the context menu. The context menu allows creating of new bookmarks, editing bookmark names, and choosing the categories. All these details can be also edited later on the Bookmarks window. Bookmark items are highlighted with an icon and using the color for the corresponding category. The bookmark items will be marked as such, even showing up on other windows. When using the context menu, you can add checked items to one of the already created bookmarks, those offered within the context menu. You may also press the Ctrl-B key combination. In this case, checked items are added to the last used bookmark. You can quickly add and delete bookmarks while reviewing the data within the number pad keys. An item can be added to multiple bookmarks, and by doing so, the product will then show multiple bookmark icons. Also, by using the context menu, you can easily navigate from a bookmarked artifact to the corresponding bookmark in the Bookmarks window, and from the bookmark to the original item. The Bookmarks window, which you can open with the View menu, consists of the Bookmarks pane at the left and the artifacts at the right. The Bookmarks pane contains a list of all the bookmarks with the number of added artifacts. The right pane of the Bookmarks window is the same as the Artifacts window. The item list in the center, the Tools pane in the bottom, and the list of properties at the right. By the way, when you bookmark an item, which originated from another item, for example, a picture, sent to you as an email attachment, both of these items will then be bookmarked, the child and the parent. This can prove to be very useful. When you first look for some specific content, say for instance pictures with guns, and then you need to investigate where those items came from, say chats, emails, documents, and so forth, you can review the properties of the parent artifact to get the required information from the origin path. Note that there is a global filter in the Artifacts window, which allows you to show only bookmarked items. Belka X makes your investigations quicker, easier, more comprehensive, and more effective. Download your free trial today at belkasoft.com/trial. Request your free 30-day trial now by clicking on the link below this video. Thank you for watching this video. We greatly appreciate your time and interest.